Hello guys and welcome. This is going to be a quick video on how to access Padlet Pro using your iPad. Let's get started. First of all, you can download the Padlet app from the App Store, which makes it really easy to access Padlet. Once you come here, you need to tap Login, and at the bottom you'll see Backpack User Login to your org. That's what we're going to click on. So click Login to your org or organization, and here it asks you for your domain name, which is Oberoi International 3. There's no space and the I is shared, so it's two I's, so it's Oberoi and then International 3 at the bottom of the screen. And it's two I's there. If you're grade 4 and 5, you can log in with Google, and if any other grades, you can log in with your username and password that has been given to your homeroom teacher. So type that in and your password, and you'll have access to your Padlet. So all the Padlets you get shared will be there. And grade 4 and 5, you just need to tap login with Google, press continue, type in your email or choose your email and your password, and you'll be logged in automatically as well. And that's it guys, that's all you need to know how to log into your Padlet. Let us know if you have any questions, or ask your homeroom teacher for your username and password if you don't know it. Cheers!